5,400 kilometers. Hello and welcome. This is a very distinguished video. It's different from any video I have ever made, because what we see now on the screen is real planes in real time flying 1,000 kilometers away from me, and I can still track it second by second. So now we are going to interview Stéphane Pierre. I hope I pronounce this correctly. Mr. Stéphane is the CTO of Aerial Metric, and he will tell us a brief about his profession and his company and his experience with Drone Engage. Hello, Mr. Stéphane.
Hello. So yes, I'm Stéphane Beer, the CTO of Aerial Metric. Aerial Metric is a designer, manufacturer, and operator of cargo drones. We operate in the air sector in Africa. We started our deliveries in 2019 in Madagascar, and we made thousands of deliveries of medicine and vaccine, and served hundreds of thousands of people with life-saving products. So our drone is an electric VTOL drone that can fly about 300 kilometers and deliver, for example, 3 kilograms at 100 kilometers from its takeoff point. And we can deliver up to 10 kilograms at a short distance.
And up to 10 kilograms.
Yes.
Yes, and it is running Autopilot.
Yes, it's running Autopilot, and we deliver from several takeoff points today, every day, and we are trying to centralize all the flights on one tool, on one software.
So this is here this is why you are using Drone Engage. So could you tell us about the problems that Drone Engage will, or not the challenges? It's not problems because you already have a very successful up and running system. However, you are looking for a much more convenient interface. So could you tell us about the challenges that you expect Drone Engage to solve?
Yes, the idea the idea is to centralize all the fleet, all the flights on the same tool, on the same page, and so we can't do that because the drones are flying on different region in Africa, in Madagascar especially, and so each takeoff point has his own software, his own ground control station, and the goal is to centralize all the data from all the takeoff points to one tool, to one software, or to one website, so that we can see all the drones of any takeoff points on the same page.
Yes, and yes, this is a very typical solution for Drone Engage. Yes, exactly. Uh, okay, I'm very happy for letting me interview, for letting me giving me this opportunity to interview you, and because I want to, and also I'm very happy to see the online maps very 1,000 kilometers far away from the actual plans, from the actual planes, and in real time that was very impressive. Also, I am the developer of the system, however, still very impressive every time I see this. Um, and thank you once again, uh, and goodbye.
Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. Thank you. I want to thank Stephen Pierre for this interview and this opportunity. And please check the next video about the technicality of this drone engage implementation. And please check cloud.ardopilot.org for more information about drone engage. Thank you.